Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office Word, how to turn off Autosave. To turn off Autosave, you can go to menu, click on Backup and Recovery, click on Auto Backup. The next you can click Setup button. So if you want to turn off or Autosave or Backup, you can click at this option to turn off and you can click this text and confirm closure. Okay, that's it for basic WPS Office Word, how to turn off autosave. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.